Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this quick video, we look at how we can fix an issue you might run into with a virtual machine you're running on VMware Workstation. I have a virtual machine here, Rocky Linux, and this virtual machine, whenever I try to run it, I'm getting an error. Let's see what error I'm getting here. So if I click on it, I get this pop-up window asking me to take ownership. So it's saying that the virtual machine appears to be in use, so it's giving me an option to take ownership, and when I click on take ownership, it gives me another error saying that taking ownership of this virtual machine failed. Now you might run into this issue if you are running a virtual machine and you didn't shut it down properly. Let's look at how we can fix this. So it's saying remove. You don't want to remove this, because if you remove it then you have to reinstall. So I'm going to cancel this. Now go to the folder where you have this virtual machine installed. So I'll go to the folder where I have the virtual machine installed. Let me look for it. This is it right here. So you see all these files in here. You want to look for any file that has an extension that ends with lck.lck. So if you see a folder or file that ends with .lck, you want to delete it. So in my case, I only have one folder here. I don't have any other file or folder with that extension. So I'll select it. Let me go ahead and select it and click delete. Now it's gone. Now if I go back to this virtual machine again and I try to open it, let's see what happens. Now I'm getting an option to resume this virtual machine. And I'm able to resume, and I'm logged into the virtual machine. So as you can see, in my case, what had happened was that the computer had to reboot, and this while this virtual machine was still running. So that's why I got that issue. That's why I got that error. And now I should be able to get into the virtual machine and work on it. So that's all for this video. That's how you can resolve that issue if you by any chance run into that error message. So I hope this has been helpful. I'll catch you in my next video. Thanks. Bye.